If you want to enable back tap gesture or quick launch on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we need to open the settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to gestures. After opening gestures, in here you should be able to find the quick launch option, and of course we can just turn it on or turn it off by tapping on this switcher. And if you want to use the back tap gesture after enabling quick launch, you can tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner, and then here you can decide what should happen if you double tap the back of the phone. By default, I believe we use Moto AI, but you can switch that to take a screenshot to start recording the screen, or if you want to go back home, or if you want to open a specific app. So let's say I'm gonna choose take screenshot in this case. Now I should be able to double tap the back of the phone and take a screenshot. Usually you can just tap over here on this upper side of the back of the phone in order to capture a screenshot. There we go. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.